So we're day 4 filming.
4 days already.
And we're deep into the mountains and it's just incredible.
It is amazing.
Right, let's do it ready, let's do it quick.
Look at this.
Look, mountains.
Look at this.
Beautiful. Then we've got villages.
This is definitely not Oxfordshire. Another amazing village, another amazing view, and I don't just mean the view of this guy, although that is pretty amazing. Again, I can't tell you the name of the place. I can't tell you anything about this place, except that it's really pretty, and we're about to go talk to some interesting people.
And we're going to be here for most of the day, getting the drone up, getting some good landscapes, getting some good interviews with people, general day-to-day views. We'll keep you there, updated. Over now.
Just about seeing the distance there. Not that house, not that house, but that bit of rock there. That is where my poor drone met its end.
Over me, like drifting through a memory. Wake up in your crystal sky, floating till we fly.
That is what two brave guys look like. We've just ridden this guy all the way back. It's been a good day. It's not been a good day. Got great footage, haven't we?
Yeah.
Jake went on the roof with I interviewed a mother with the most adorable baby, and I lost my drone.